Okay, guys, welcome back. So, KinspireTech. I'm actually setting up a recording for those that want to know how to connect your systems to people's own remotely and be able to support them. So, I'll be showing how I do that. Over here, I got a message from my guy and he wants me to remotely connect the system. So, what I'll do is I actually have an app I use. So I'll just open a new tab, type AnyDesk is the name. AnyDesk. So sorry for the. So this is the app. I'll just click on this, and this is the website. This app allows me to download and remotely connect to anyone's system and perform my support I usually do. So I'll click on download, and it's about 5 MB. It's not gonna take some time, so I think it's actually done downloading. I'll just click and hold on. All right. So I'll click on this to install or to run it, and let's watch. It's running. So over here the app is open, so I'm using the free version which can allow me to do anything I want to do, and I will show you guys. So here is actually where I will actually enter his IP address which he sent to me. So over here I'll just copy this number, copy, go over here, paste it, and then press enter. You can see it's requesting for me to connect. I'll click on yes, and you can see requesting connection. I need to accept. He has accepted. I'm waiting for his image. You can see I have access to his system. He's minimizing. So personally, what he wants me to do is to activate his Windows. You can look over here. You see this activate Windows. So I'm going to remotely do that, and I will not be speaking so that I can focus and work on it myself. So over here, I can have access to his laptop. You can see me minimizing his apps, and I'll make this fast so I can actually get back to what I'm doing. So minimize all these apps, minimize everything. So this is desktop, and over here my keyboard and my mouse have access to his own computer. So I'll click here to bring up Windows. I want to make sure his Word app is open, so I'll right click on the desktop to deactivate some things. Alright, so I think I'm now good to go. First of all, you'll be surprised actually from over there watching me controlling his system. Actually, also know that this activation I'm doing is for educational purposes. I'm trying to tell you it's for educational purposes, and if Microsoft gets you doing this, you actually have to pay for the software. Seriously, you need to pay for it because a lot of money has been spent in developing it. So you really need to get the licensed purchase from Microsoft, because this is not a permanent solution. This is just a temporary solution to remove Windows Activate. But if you need a permanent solution, promise you need to get a license, purchase it from Microsoft Store, or you can go online and purchase it from any reseller or retailer to get it for free. Yeah, we are going to be transferring the file from my PC, which is in Drive C under the download folder. So I'll go to users, go to my name, and select download folder, and then search for the file. It's actually down here. I'll click on the file and go to upload. You have to send it to the system. If you watch well, it has been uploaded. I tried doing the first one, but network made it failed. But now it is actually good. So we'll cancel the one that failed and allow this one to go through. So just wait while it goes through. So we'll hold on while it goes through. So over here it is done uploading. We will now go back to the remote desktop. You click on it, and you can see over here I'll go to the download folder. It's actually there. I'll click here and click on the software. Like I said, this is for educational purposes only, so it's actually locked. I will unzip the software to run it. And click yes, and like I say, for educational purposes, then click on smart, and they have other options, but I'll use the smart activation mode. Click on it and it starts running the activation, so give it some time to be done. And successfully. So we'll just have to make sure that it's working perfectly. You can see over here it is actually activated successfully with the digital license, and you can see this one is activated. Click OK. Click on this. Let's go and verify again once more from the settings. Let's try and minimize those settings and check if it's activated. See, it is active and we have just done the activation. Like I said, this is for educational purposes. So if you have any comment to say, anything to say, just drop it in the comment section. And also I'll be adding a Telegram group link in case for any IT issues and support. You can reach out to me there and I'll respond to you immediately. Thanks and see you in the next video.